The stories, the Karnataka budget has lifted VAT on wine, beer, as well as on hard liquor. Sonia Shenoy is joining in with the key takeaways of what seems to be a pretty interesting budget. Sonia, I don't know, is it going to get more easier on the pocket if you're having a drink in Bengaluru? But that's jokes apart. What does it mean for companies?
I think not just companies, but even consumers are going to be very happy with this. So you don't have to pay VAT, right, on a whole host of these spirits. And that's why you're seeing all these stocks up and about today. Now, just to tell you, the additional excise duty on liquor earlier was about 12%, and now it has been lifted entirely. Now, Karnataka is a big market for these companies. 25% of United Spirits revenues comes from Karnataka, and 25% of United Breweries revenues comes from Karnataka as well. Now, we did speak to a couple of analysts, and they expect the volumes to go up because the excise duty has been lifted. Edelweiss expects about a 5 to 6% volume growth over the next 1 year or so on a compounded annual growth. They're looking at an increase in margins as well. Now, I'll tell you why. Because the structural changes in the state liquor policy over the last many months has also allowed a price hike that these companies can undertake in the state of Karnataka. So, on an average, over the last 6 months, United Spirits has taken about a 4 to 5% price hike. Edelweiss believes that the prices will rise an additional 5 to 6% compounded annual growth over the next 1 year, and the price hike as well as the volume growth would lead to a margin expansion. So Morgan Stanley indicated that there could be about 100 basis points improvement in margins. Edelweiss too has forecasted 100 to 150 basis points improvement in margins in FY18. So there will be operating leverage because of the news flow that's coming.
So if you're looking at hosting a big